Why don't you like it? Because it's got that little flap thing or whatever?
Weird. I don't understand the flaps.
It's supposed to be,
It's not short enough either.
It really
When I go
isn't.
out.
Man, you gonna make me knock the hell out of somebody. Killer
Plus, I
dude.
can't have strapless stuff anymore because my top almost fell off last time. Well, my
Last-
dress almost fell off last time. You said nice?
No, I said last night.
No, last time, when I wore my leopard dress, it kept falling down.
You should try that on. We should try that on in the fitting room. Wink, wink.
We should. They're not gonna.
Why?
Because I don't know.
Do you like that? It's kind of Halloweenish.
It's very hot. I'm picking.
You're picky? I thought I was picking.